Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here, I'm Tony, this is Teddy. If you have been following the channel, you'll know that recently I got a Starlink Mini. I did a video on running the Starlink Mini on a power station and a solar panel. And the products I've got to show you today is actually a prototype. It's not even on the market at the time of filming this video. However, by the time this is released, it will be. I've been assured this is the final prototype also. So we've got a first look at this product. And what it basically does is turns Starlink Internet from this to this. This is it. This is the internet in your pocket. So what I'm going to do is we'll weigh it. This is perfect for backpackers and that kind of thing. It even fit in the glove box of my car. Anyway, so I'm going to test it out, I'm going to weigh it, and we're going to see how long this runs the Starlink for. First things first though, I'll show you unboxing it and how it arrives, and then show you how to set it up. So what comes in the box then? You get 8 21700 batteries. Battery charger, that'll charge up to 10. You get these sleeves. This enables you to use 18650 batteries, which is handy. And then the unit itself. With some instructions. So like I say, it's a prototype. I've got no idea what the price of the item's going to be at the time of the filming anyway. The basic's really simple. You put the batteries in the back there. You plug that power cable into the Starlink Mini there and you push it into place. That's it. And on the back of it, it has got a stand and then an on-off button is right there. Now first I want to weigh it. 1.797, so 1.8 kilos. So weighing at 1.8 kilos, perfect for backpackers. Would you be willing, as a backpacker, to carry an extra 1.8 kilos to have the internet at your fingertips, especially for emergencies, if you're somewhere remote? Anyway, I've got no doubt whatsoever that it's going to run the Starlink, because that's what it's designed to do. But the question is, how long for? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up in the garden. What I'm going to do is set it up, turn it on. At the same time I turn it on, I'm going to start a stopwatch on my phone. And I have to keep going and checking how if it's still on to see. Anyway, turn it on, start stopwatch. So you can see it illuminates, showing it's on. And it's starting to rain, so I'm going to go back inside, show the Starlink app and see if we can see how many watts it's pulling. Now that little LED light on the back is the battery level indicator. So green, 50% or above, yellow 16% to 49%, steady red 15%, and the red flashing 5% and below. Okay, at the beginning of the video I forgot to mention the company. It's called Xtar. So I'd like to thank Xtar for sending this out to me, this prototype, for a first look. Right, so I've got the Starlink set up, I've got it connected. Quickly share my screen with you now. If I go to statistics here for the Mini, I can see it's drawing an average of 19 watts. So yeah, I don't know how long this battery's going to run it for, but we're going to find out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go have a cup of tea, watch a bit of YouTube, and keep checking back. Right people, I'm actually quite shocked because I worked out that this power station here would probably run Starlink for 8 or 9 hours. So I was thinking that little battery pack, maybe 2-3 hours. The light has just gone amber now, denoting the battery's at 49%. It's gone amber in the last kind of 10 minutes, so I've been checking it every 10 minutes. And so far, we've been going for 3 hours and 2 minutes. I'm assuming if you watch this video, you've probably got Starlink. If you don't have Starlink, however, there is a link in the description. If you join Starlink through that link, you get a month for free, and so do I. So to show you now though, this light has turned orange. So going off those numbers then, we're probably looking at about the 6 hour mark. But let's not count our chickens, we're going to wait until that light goes flashing red, battery's empty, and see what we've got. So I'll bring you back in a bit. Okay, so at this point we're now 5 hours in, or 4 hours 59 minutes in, and a steady red has just come on, which means we're at 15%. I'll show you. Okay, so it's literally just started flashing red. I expect we might squeeze an extra 5 or 10 minutes out if we drain it to 0. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the stopwatch right there and show you how long we've got. Now bearing in mind of course that was running on 21700 batteries. You can run it off 18650s using these sleeves, then you get less. It does have an advantage because 18650s, I've got flashlights and other stuff that run on that. Anyway, it's still going. Right, I turned it off. So, five hours and 54 minutes, so just short of 6 hours. Well, you would get 6, so you've definitely got another 6 minutes out of that 5% left in that battery. So there you go, 6 hours of internet. You could carry 6 spare batteries, 12 hours of internet. Excellent if you're camping or whatever. If you did find that video useful, do give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.